Hello, I'm Elizabeth, and this is your planning mentor. Today we have an unboxing of the April kit from Sterling Ink. You can see a little sneak peek right there. Look how pretty the little flowers in the baskets. And it always comes in this nice brown envelope with the Sterling Ink embossed on it. Okay. Put these to the side. Whoops. And open this. So we have our monthly vellum. Look how pretty. Look at all these different colored poppies. You've got this parrot tulip down here that's all pretty and striped. Bachelor buttons. Very pretty. Our monthly dates. Now let's look at our vellums. Wow, look at how beautiful those are. First we have just the florals. And you can see again just vibrant colors, but not too bright, just vibrant. Very pretty. There's that tulip again, or those tulips again. Oh, gorgeous. And then we've got this vellum. You've got a shot of a room. I'm guessing that's a desk, maybe in a little garden. A garden room. And then here's that sneak peek of a farmer's market. I'm guessing. Farmer's market with baskets of flowers and vegetables. Oh, I love it. So pretty. And here's our little pile of stickers. We've got this little separate sticker with the farmer's market again, and a box of matches, a tassel, and these look almost like photographs with the watercolor. So maybe she's experimenting with something new this month. Some photography in there also. We've got our little envelope. We have our little cardboard square, and I like to put this in the front of my planner. This pretty little flower grouping. This is the April freebie. It's got some really pretty little flowers there, little stickers. Our tabs for April and our April month headers with that beautiful tulip. Oh, gorgeous. Now we have our stickers. We have some miscellaneous florals. Some layered type stickers. This one has, looks like a locket or a watch, I'm not sure. The key with the hummingbird. This radio and a spoon, and again those look like photographs. And this is, I can't get too close, but this is a goldfish charm, it looks like. Matches. Little clip in there. Again with the matches and the tassel. Here we have some smaller images, rooms, vignettes. There's some shovels in that one. Very pretty. Different view Or maybe it's actually just flipped. I think it's just a flipped version of the farmer's market. Here we have the farmer's market and the radio and a clipboard. Again, those are photographs. You've got silver foiling in there. There's that fish again. And the key again in different formations. Now we have our large boxes of brooms. There's that. Those shovels, gardening place. Some floral clusters, floral arrangements. That's that beautiful blue vase. Those poppies. Oh, bachelor buttons. So pretty. And then we have our last two sticker sheets with images. And these are identical. You can see. But we've got some clusters. We've got this long washi. And we've got some little edge pieces down here. Very pretty. Our numbers for the month. And some weekly overview days. And then we have our days of the week with different florals repeated from the kit. Very pretty. Okay, so let's go over this again. Days of the week, numbers, our two washis, florals in a big square, our large illustration squares, our layered pieces, some torn pieces, beautiful layered, April, tabs, florals, freebie, sticker, a pretty cardboard square, our dates for April, our April vellum with the calendar, our beautiful vellum with the illustrations, and beautiful floral. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate any time you spend on my channel. Don't forget to put yourself on your list. I hope you nourish your mind, your body, and your spirit this week. You are worth it. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.